Hello everyone, this is Sanuta. Welcome back to my channel. So you probably have already heard that the best investment you can ever make is in yourself. So in today's video I have 6 amazing ways in which you can invest in yourself for the better. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the first way to invest in yourself is to read every day. Yes, reading a bit every day is one of the best ways to invest in yourself. I know that reading every day is not possible for everyone, but at least try to inculcate reading as your habit because that's an amazing way to invest in yourself. Reading books every day has definitely been a life-changing habit for me, and I can promise you that it can be a life-changing habit for you too, because of course we are all improved by the amount of knowledge we absorb and intake. And knowledge makes us better in a lot of different ways. Reading books is also the best start to improve your knowledge and better your life. Reading books regularly has a lot of benefits and advantages, and it is super beneficial to you because it helps you in improving your memory, your focus and concentration, your language skills. Moreover, it also helps you by adding vast knowledge into your life. I personally prefer reading self-help books or non-fictional books over fictional books. But if you are someone who find it very difficult to read self-help books because you are a beginner, you can definitely start off by reading some fictional books at the beginning. Because moreover, making it a habit is what really matters so that you get used to reading, be it fiction or non-fiction. So read every day even if it is just 10 pages per day because everything starts small and you can gradually get better at it and read more pages as you move on. And remember this, that reading books is an investment you can make in yourself that pays for a lifetime. And the second way to invest in yourself is to allow yourself to pause. Yes, I have quite a few times talked about importance of taking breaks in some of my previous videos. And here too, allowing yourself to pause and take break helps you a lot in improving yourself because when you take break, it is very beneficial to you and your work as well. Taking breaks has been shown to be very important in recovering from stress, which in return improves and boosts your performance. And when you recover from stress, it helps you to restore your energy and mental resources. Taking breaks often also helps you in decreasing the development of fatigue, sleep disorders, and some cardiovascular diseases. Also, when you press pause and take a break, make sure that you reflect and be grateful for everything that has made your life happier and easier. And the third way to invest in yourself is to enroll into online classes or courses. Yes, enrolling into online classes or courses is another really interesting and fun way to invest in yourself. Be it just for 30 minutes, make sure that you learn something new from online courses or any other videos you find online. Online courses are definitely a very convenient form of learning which offers flexibility, and these are a great way to gain knowledge. Online courses offer you to learn about a lot of things. You can get courses on graphic designing, productivity, app development, filmmaking, and learn literally anything that triggers your curiosity and interests you. There are definitely a lot of apps and sites which provide courses on huge range of topics. A few of them to list would be Skillshare, which is an American online learning community for people who want to learn from educational videos. And Skillshare as of March 2019 has over 27,000 premium classes and more than 2,000 free classes available. And another platform to learn new things from is Coursera, which is also a popular online community that offers massive open online courses, specializations and degrees. You can also go for Udemy, which is another great online learning and teaching marketplace with over 130,000 courses and 35 million students. Apart from these apps and sites, there are also a lot of other apps, videos and classes that you can find online through which you can learn new things from. And the fourth way to invest in yourself is to set smart goals. Setting smart goals is very important because it helps you to keep your motivation high. So many people ignore its importance though. Setting clear goals gives you a direction and an eventual destination, and this will help you by guiding you to where you ultimately want to be in your life. Doing this is a lot better than just being aimless in your life and just hoping to reach a destination. Because when you clearly set goals, it provides you with clear focus and helps you decide how to spend your time so that you can get effective and better results. Moreover, goal setting also gives you a sense of personal satisfaction and purpose in your life, which is very important. And the fifth way to invest in yourself is to prioritize your personal well-being. Yes, taking care of yourself should always be one of your top priorities in your life. It is always important that you prioritize your personal well-being, both mental health and your physical health, because when we start to prioritize our well-being and our self-care, it not only improves ourselves but it also helps in improving the ones around us. Self-care also tends to improve our immunity, increase positive thinking, and make us less susceptible to stress, depression, anxiety, and other emotional health issues. Prioritizing our well-being also acts as a reminder to us that our needs are important too. And the sixth way to invest in yourself is to choose your friends wisely. Yes, you might have heard this famous saying by motivational speaker Jim Rohn that you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. And yes, without any doubt, it is so much true that the type of friends you surround yourself with has a very significant impact on your behavior and your actions. The people you spend the most time with shapes who you are. So it is very important that you choose your friends wisely, because if you want to be happy, productive, successful and healthy, you need to make sure that you surround yourself with people or friends who possess these attributes. Whereas if you don't choose your company wisely and just hang out with people that don't help you grow and is always trying to bring you down, it badly affects your growth and mental health. So make sure to choose your friends wisely. So that is all for today's video. I really hope you liked it. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel down below, and also comment on other ways to invest in oneself. I would love to see them, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you.